Assalamualaikum dear student, this is your 8th lecture. Open your books. Page number 37. Exercise A. Complete the answer. Who was Mickey? Mickey was a little mouse. Where did Mickey live? Mickey lived near a forest. Whom did Mickey see caught in a net? Mickey saw a lion caught in a net. How did Mickey cut the ropes of the net? Mickey cut all the ropes with his sharp teeth. Do exercise A in your copy 1 like this. Exercise B. Choose right answer and fill in the blanks. Read chapter carefully and choose correct word from the bracket. Mickey came out of his dash. Hole, den. Hole is the right answer. Mickey came out of his hole. Mickey heard the roar of dash. Tiger, lion. Lion is the right answer. Mickey heard the roar of lion. I am the dash, king or master of the jungle, said the lion. King is the right answer. I am the king of the jungle, said the lion. You are my dash, enemy or friend, said the lion. Friend is the right answer. You are my friend, said the lion. Exercise C. Who said to whom? Read chapter carefully and do the answer of all questions. Why did you wake me up? The lion said to Mickey. I am very sorry. Mickey said to the lion. Thank you, little mouse. The lion said to Mickey. Do exercise B and C in your book. See page number 38. Exercise A. A female lion is called a lioness. Complete the following as shown. A common gender classification include masculine and feminine categories. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys and male animals, and feminine nouns are words for women, girls and female animals. For example, lion, lioness, man, woman, boy, girl, tiger, tigress, king, queen, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. Do exercise A in your book. Grammar time. Punctuation. We use capital letters to begin a sentence. We also use the capital letter for the word I. The names of people, places, days and months also begin with capital letters. We use a full stop to end a sentence. We use a question mark to end a question. सेंटेंस के शुरू में कैपिटल लेटर इस्तेमाल होता है. किसी भी शख्स, जगह, दिनों और महीनों के नाम का पहला लेटर भी कैपिटल होता है. आई के लिए भी कैपिटल वर्ड यूज़ होता है. पंक्चुएशन में सेंटेंस के आखिर में फुल स्टॉप लगता है और सवाल के आखिर में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगता है. सी पेज नंबर 39. Look at these sentences. The capital letters, full stops and question marks are missing in them. Write them in the right form in your notebook. Do this exercise in English in copy 1. Open your copy 1. Mention date. Draw a margin line and write down question. Rahat is running down the road. Rahat is the name of person, so Rahat's R should be capital. Rahat is running down the road. At the end of the sentence, we use full stop. Number 2. There are many apples in the tree. The first alphabet of the first word should be capital. So T is capital. There are many apples in the tree. At the end of the sentence, we use full stop. Is Parveen Rahat's sister? The first alphabet of the first word should be capital. So I is capital. Parveen is the name of person, so P is capital. Rahat is the name of person, so Rahat's R should be capital. In this sentence, someone asks about Rahat's sister, so it's a question. At the end of this sentence, we used question mark because it's a question. Number 4. I want to buy a present for Aslam. The first alphabet of the first word should be capital. So I is capital. Want to buy a present for Aslam. Aslam is the name of person, so A is capital. At the end of the sentence, we used full stop. Reema and I are going to Dadu next week. Reema is the name of person, so Reema's R should be capital. And I. According to punctuation rule, pronoun I should always be capital. Are going to Dadu next week. At the end of the sentence, we used full stop. Number 6. Is he in class 2? The first alphabet of the first word should be capital, so I is capital. Is he in class 2? Here someone asks about a boy, so it's a question. At the end of the sentence, we use question mark. Maryam lives in a big house. Maryam is the name of person, so M is capital. Maryam lives in a big house. At the end of sentence, we use full stop. 8. Where are you coming back from? The first alphabet of the first word should be capital, so W is capital. Where are you coming back from? Someone is asking a question. End of the sentence, we use question mark. Page number 40. Exercise A. Look at the example and make question. Question number 1. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. If you have ability to perform or to do something, you must use can. अगर किसी काम को किया जा सकता है तो उसके लिए can यूज़ करते हैं. Can you do sums? Yes, I can do sums. Can you cut the net? Yes, I can cut the net. Dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture. Thank you. Exercise A. You should do it in your book.